Hey, what's up? Tristan back with another video, and I was actually going to try to do a live stream with the GoPro Hero 7 here, but I realized that you have to have Wi-Fi, and it works through the app on your phone, the GoPro app, but I actually don't have Wi-Fi here, and it doesn't work through LTE, so I'll just record a video and then upload it later. I'm using the external microphone connection with a lav mic here, because I thought it would be really windy, but actually it's pretty still. Let me show you where I'm at here. I'm in an undisclosed location, but just thought I'd take advantage of the beautiful day out here because it's been a little bit rainy in the last week or so, but really nice out. But anyway, in this video, I want to just talk a little bit about like what I look for in headphones, and also kind of solicit your opinions or your comments on what you look for in headphones. And by that, I mean in general terms, like, you know, do you want headphones that are very analytical, that really are like reference quality, that give you just all of the information as accurately as possible? Or do you want headphones that really let you feel the music and let you feel the mood? I sort of tend to veer towards the latter. I prefer headphones that, instead of make me think about the music, which would be kind of analytical, I prefer headphones that make me feel the music. And those are, I'm just speaking on general terms. But overall, I look for a good balance between the both. You know, if you can get both, then that's ideal. I mean, that would be the like perfect headphone. Also, comfort. Comfort is a big factor for me. You know, a headphone can sound totally perfect, but if you can't wear it for more than 15 minutes, then what's the point, right? You know, if a headphone is uncomfortable or hurts your head or hurts your ears or something like that, you know, then what's the point? So comfort also plays into that balance as well. And in general, I think for me, I prefer headphones that really make me feel the music, make me sort of move when I'm supposed to, in terms of it really rocking or whatever, but also having a really good balance between, you know, having all of the information there and not sounding muffled during the highs or anything like that. Of course, nobody wants that. And that can be what actually happens when you get sort of cheaper headphones that are, say, bass head headphones or something like that, that are just geared towards bass only. You can get a sound signature that tends to be lacking across the whole frequency spectrum, and tends to be sounding a little bit muddy and stuff like that. But if you get headphones that are sort of higher end headphones, you'll still have the really good bass, but then you'll also have you know, a really nice sound presentation and real accurate sound presentation, you know, as well. So, you know, finding that balance to me is, I think, what's key. I want headphones that really move me and that don't get me just thinking about the music, but also get me feeling the music, and there's a big difference there. And to speak to particular models or whatever, the Sennheiser HD800 series are headphones that more get me thinking about music, but not really feeling the music as much. And, you know, there's a combination of reasons for that. The bass response being a little bit lean is probably one of the main reasons there. I find that headphones that are a little bit bassier get me to feel the music a little bit more, and just have that, especially depending on what kind of music you're listening to, have that kind of that beat going, and then you kind of feel it a little bit more. But at the same time, you know, you want it to have the full sound spectrum. You know, you don't want it to sound muffled or anything like that. So anyway, what are your thoughts on the topic? Like to hear your thoughts and opinions, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna get back to my walk here, but wanted to shoot this little video. The other thing I forgot to mention that I look for is really good vocals, and that goes with like the mids. The more natural and sort of smooth, silky smooth vocals I can get, the better, for me anyway. And that's something that I really pay attention to. If vocals sound kind of shrill or a little harsh or way too breathy or something like that, then that's something that I don't generally like. And that's something that's really important to me with my preferred sound signature for headphones. But everyone's different and everyone hears differently, so that may not be the case for you. But when you get really up there in the high-end headphones, that's something to pay attention to, is like the vocals, like how smooth they are, you know, like the tonality of the actual vocals. Like, you know, I mean, can you really hear their vocals, or are you just hearing their breath or whatever, you know? So anyway, got a little distracted there, but yeah, that's another thing that I look for with regards to sound signature.